Ever wondered what happens between pressing the power button and seeing your desktop? In this video, we will help you understand the Windows boot process. It is a fascinating sequence of steps that happens in seconds. When you press power, your computer's firmware, called the BIOS or UEFI, wakes up first. It runs a quick hardware check to make sure everything essential is working. Then it looks for a bootable drive, the one containing Windows. Once found, it hands control to the bootloader, a small program that begins loading Windows itself. The bootloader starts the Windows kernel, the core of the operating system, which loads essential drivers needed to communicate with your hardware. Next, Windows starts its core services and prepares the system. Finally, it loads your user session, showing the sign-in screen, and after you log in, your desktop and startup programs appear. Understanding this process helps when troubleshooting, since boot problems can occur at any of these stages. Whether it is a firmware setting, a missing boot file, or a driver issue, knowing the sequence helps you pinpoint exactly where things went wrong.